So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. So please keep share this video with your friends, with gym buddies, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. So because if you subscribe the channels, I could upload and make more videos for you guys. So
understand it, I'm a fucking bandit. Understand it, I'm a fucking bandit. Understand it, I'm a
Yo, what's up people? This is your boy Ali, and today we are going to do shoulder workouts at home just with the dumbbells. As you know, this world is getting really crazy. Schools, universities and gyms, everything is closed, so I have to keep my gains safe. So what I'm gonna do, I have just some dumbbells. I guess they are like 20 to 30 kilos, and I just try to save my gains, and I just gonna hit all the important parts of my shoulders, yeah, front, sides and back. And yep, I'm gonna share this workout with you. But before starting my workout, I need my pre-workout for sure, always. And cheers guys. So we're gonna start our workout now. Shoulder workout. First exercise, shoulder press. Let's start. So I got this. So I'm gonna do first the warm up. Yep. So basically, actually, I'm just trying to, because I don't have so much weight, so I'm just actually trying to do more reps. And yeah, and the rest period is minimum. I'm making only 20 to 30 seconds rest between my sets, and that's how I gonna finish my exercise today. So now I'm gonna hit the front shoulder. change the variation. Trust me guys, it feels same. I feel same as I'm hitting in a gym. Same tired, my muscles are not as same pumped but it feels good to do something at least. So guys, next exercise I'm gonna do to hit my exterior deltoids, and yeah, simple. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. So please keep share this video with your friends, with gym buddies, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. So because if you subscribe the channels, I could upload and make more videos for you guys. So we're gonna see us our next video, and it's going to be more fun. Until then, peace out. So oops.